ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ഏവർക്കും ഈസി ലേൺ പി സിയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നടന്ന ട്രേഡ്സ്മാൻ എക്സാമിൻ്റെ പ്രൊവിഷണൽ ആൻസർ കീയാണ്. വാട്ട് ഈസ് എ കോർ ഇൻ ദ കോണ്ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് എ സി പി യു? എ ബേസിക് കമ്പ്യൂട്ടേഷൻ unit of the CPU. What is the main purpose of the Windows Start menu? To search for settings and applications. Which motherboard component is to store the system's firmware and startup instructions? BIOS chip. What does the dir/o command do indoors? Displays a list of files and directories in the current directory sorted by name. Which of the following is not an example of utility software? Spreadsheet package. In Windows, which keyboard shortcut key is used to open the properties for the selected item? Alt Enter. Which of the following is true about cache memory? It is more economical than CPU registers. Which input device is capable of reading alphabets, characters, and numbers printed on a paper? Optical character reader, OCR. Which of the following primary directory contains configuration files in Linux/etc? Option C. In Linux, the cat --test command helps to create a new file named test and allows the user to enter text into it. In Microsoft Word, which of the following option is not found on the page layout tab? Spelling and grammar. Which template is used by default in Microsoft Word? Normal. Which of the following is a floating text box that highlights quotes from the Word document? Pull quote. Office button was introduced in which version of Microsoft Word? Word 2007. To move the left side of the first line of a paragraph leftward away from the center, which option in Microsoft Word can be used? Hanging indentation. In Microsoft Word, the print to PDF feature is used for save the document in a printable PDF format. To insert an image of text behind the content of the page in a Word document, what feature is used? Watermark. In Microsoft Word, which feature is used to automate repetitive tasks? Macro. Which of the following is not a main component of mail merge? Microsoft Word. Address line. Which of the following function can be accessed from the Review tab in Microsoft Word? Track changes. How to set different print sections in single Excel worksheet? Page layout, print area. Process sorting data by certain criteria in MS Excel is called filtering. Function in MS Excel which return number of cells that satisfies a given criteria? Count if. Which of the following is or are data manipulation technique in MS Excel? All of the above. Pivoting, sorting, and transposing. How do the cell address is represented in MS Excel? Column row. Which tab in MS PowerPoint contain comments? Review. Rehearse timing is shown in slideshow menu tab. Shortcut key to start slideshow from the current slide in MS PowerPoint? Shift plus F5. In MS PowerPoint, animation is applied for all of the above: text box, picture, and charts. Option D ആണ് വരുന്നത്. Shortcut key for new slide is Ctrl plus N. How to add artistic effect in MS PowerPoint? Select picture, picture format, artistic effect. Which of the following is not a picture effect in MS PowerPoint? None of these. Which is or are smart art types in MS PowerPoint? All of these. Option D. Cycle, relationship, and matrix. In MS PowerPoint, transition is applied for slides. How to add animation in MS PowerPoint? From animation tab. How to add picture in MS Excel? Insert illustrations. Which of the following is not considered as range in MS Excel? None of these. When you copy $A to using autofill, then row and column do not change. The intersection of row and column in Excel is known as cell. Macros are added from which menu or tab in MS Excel? Developer. Expanded form of BCNF? Voice code, normal form. Which one is DCL command? Grant. Which one is not an ACID property? Concurrency. In MySQL, count function returns number of records. Expanded form of DML? Data manipulation language. In a relational database, what is a tuple? Row. In MySQL, select now command returns date and time. The database normalization is developed by EF4. Which is not a transaction control language? Command revoke. Join is also known as inner join. In OSI model, which layer provides transparent transfer of data between end users? Transport layer. In network, TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. In which layer of OSI network model? Bridge works. Layer 2. In network, NIC stands for Network Interface Cards. Expand DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Option C. Maximum speed supported by category 6 UTP table is 1000 Mbps. Which protocol is used to deliver electronic mail? SMTP. Expand URL Uniform Resource Locator. Which is not search engine? Facebook.com. In which both caller and receiver can be seen on screen of both user along with audio video check. Which language is primarily used for coding static website? HTML. Which of the following attribute is used to give a short description of an image in case the image is not loaded in the web page? Alt. The HTML tag used to describe the definition of each term in definition list. DD. What is the use of iframe in HTML? To display a web page within a web page. Which one of the following is not link states in CSS? Unvisited. What is the publishing tool of CMS? Content delivery application. Which toolbar in Composer consists of buttons for the most used major operations? Composition toolbar. Which database is required? WordPress. For its installation, MySQL. Which of the following is the correct syntax for referring the external style sheet? Link rel equal to style sheet, type equal to text slash css, href equal to sample.css. Which control can be used with form element to define a drop down list? Select. Which one of the following is a client side scripting language? JavaScript. What will be the type of a variable in JavaScript that has been explicitly declared but not assigned a value? Undefined. Which of the following is not a web server available in market? SQL server. When we execute the following JavaScript code segment, what will be the value of y? Variable y equal to 20 plus 5 plus January plus 20 plus 24. Document.write y. Option C ആണ് 25 January 2024. What is the output of the code? Document.write type of null in JavaScript object. Which pop-up box contains a text box used to collect a string of input from the user? Prompt. Loops through the properties of an object in JavaScript is for in. Option A. Choose the operator which is not a unary operator from the following. Star. Which method is used to delete an element from the beginning of an array? Shift. Which of the following method is used for finding HTML elements? Document.get element by ID. PDOS is also known as flashing. The scope of e-commerce business platform like Amazon, eBay, etc. is global. Which e-commerce metrics measure the percentage of website visitors who make a purchase? Conversion rate. What is the name for direct computer-to-computer transfer of transaction information contained in standard business document? Electronic data interchange. In credit or debit card, CVV stands for card verification value. Dash is the function of specifying access rights to resources related to information security. Authorization. What is the model in e-commerce if the seller and the buyer are both individuals? C2C. What is the term used to describe the practice of selling goods, service directly to consumer over the internet? E-commerce. What does SSL stands for in the context of e-commerce? Secure socket layer. Option A. Which of the following is commonly used payment gateway for e-commerce transaction? PayPal. Which type of malware is designed to remain undetected on a system and provide unauthorized access to cyber criminals? Rootkit. What is the default port number of HTTPS? 443. What is the term used to describe the practice of tricking individuals into providing sensitive information such as password or credit card numbers? Phishing. What does the acronym DDoS stands for? The context cyber security, distributed denial of service. Option C. What is the purpose of a virtual private network in cyber security? Encrypting internet traffic. LDAP stands for Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. The unauthorized control or access over the computer system and destroys the data is known as hacking. Which regulatory compliance standards focus on the protection of personal data and privacy? GDPR. What is the maximum punishment for hacking under the Information Technology Act of 2000? 3-year imprisonment. Which of the following is a common method of authentication in cyber security? Biometrics. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇത് ഉപകാരപ്പെടുന്നെങ്കിൽ തീർച്ചയായും ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. താങ്ക്സ് ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്.